Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe to Maths and Statistics Tutor channel. Okay, today I am going to discuss about statistics topic. In my previous videos, I have explained about measures of dispersions. What are the measures of dispersion? Range, quartile deviation, mean deviation and standard deviation. I have explained about range and quartile deviation. In mean deviation also I have explained how to find the mean deviation in the case of individual series. Okay, in this class I am going to explain about finding the mean deviation in the case of discrete series. Okay, finding the mean deviation in the case of discrete series. Okay, for this we can use mean or median or mode. Okay, in this example I am finding the mean deviation about median. Okay, I am using the median formula to find the mean deviation. We can use mean or mode also. Okay, process is same, but we need to find out the, if we are doing with the mean deviation with mean means we need to find the mean. If we are doing with mean deviation with median means we need to find the median. If we are doing with mean deviation with mode means we need to find the mode. Here I am doing mean deviation about median for discrete case. That's why I am finding median here. Okay, these are the x values and these are the frequency values. Okay, first we need to find out the FIXI. FIXI means 14 into 2, 13, 36 into 5, 45 into 41, 50 into 1, 70 into 3. Okay, we need to find this value. After that we need to find the median value. What is the formula for median? Median formula is n plus 1 divided by 2 in the case of odd items. Okay, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 items are there. So we need to find the n plus 1. N plus 1 means 5 plus 1, which is equal to 6 by 2. 3. 6 by 2 equal to 3. Third item. What is the third item? 45. 1, 2, 3. 45 is our third item. Okay. So we found median equal to 45. Okay, so basing on this median we are doing remaining part of the problem. Okay, here what is the next one? Xi minus m. Xi minus m means these are the x values. Okay, these are the x1, x2, x3, x4, x5. That's why xi minus median. What is the median? 45. So 14 minus 45. 14 minus 45. Okay, 14 minus 45. 14 minus 45 equal to minus 31. 36 minus 45. 36 minus 45 equal to minus 9. 45 minus 45 equal to 0. 50 minus 45 equal to 5. 70 minus 45 equal to 15. Okay, these are the values. Okay, now I am adding the modulus here. Modulus means we know. If we keep modulus, then we need to ignore the signs here. Okay, that's why I have ignored the signs. 31, 5, 0, 5, 15. Okay, after that what is that? Xi minus me into f, because what is the formula for median? Mean deviation about median equal to summation of f xi minus me divided by m. Okay, we know x modulus of xi minus me we know. Okay, these are the values into f. What are the frequencies? 2, 5, 1, 1, 3. Okay, so 2, 31 into 2, 31 into 2. Okay, 31 into 2, 5 into 9, 1 into 0, 1 into 5, 3 into 15. Okay, 31 into 2, 5 into 9, 0 into 1, 5 into 1, 15 into 3. Frequencies into modulus of xi minus me. So these are the values. Okay, so we need to find the total. 62, 45, 0, 5, 45. We need to find the total. Total equal to summation of xi minus median. Okay, xi minus median, which is equal to 157. So substitute the values in the formula. What is the formula? Mean deviation about median equal to summation of f into xi modulus of xi minus me divided by n. So 157 divided by n. What is the value of n here? N is frequencies total. Capital N is frequencies total. So divided by 12, which is equal to 13.08. Okay, we can find the mean deviation here. I am finding the mean deviation by using median. Okay, mean deviation about median. What is the formula? Summation of f into xi minus me, median divided by n. Okay, if we are finding the mean deviation by using mean equal to x bar, which is equal to summation of f into x minus xi minus x bar divided by n. Here x bar is median. Okay, mean deviation about mode equal to summation of f into modulus of xi minus z is nothing but mode here. Okay, so this is median. Okay, this is median, this is mean, this is mode. Okay, we can find the mean deviation about mean, median, mode. Okay, but in this example I have calculated the mean deviation by using median method. Mean method means we need to find the summation fi total divided by summation f. We will get one value, that is x bar. So we need to substitute here. Okay, here instead of me we will get x bar. Okay, remaining process is same. If we want to calculate with mean deviation with mode, means we need to find out the mode. What is the mode here? What is the highest frequency here? 5 is the highest frequency, so mode will be 36. So in this place see 36 will come. Okay, 36 xi minus 36, remaining process is same. Okay, hope it's clear. In this concept I have explained about mean deviation for discrete series. Okay, in my coming video I will explain mean deviation in the case of continuous series. Okay, thank you. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, Maths and Statistics Tutor channel. Thank you everyone. Bye.